Welcome to PromptlyPro, where AI tools become real shortcuts. Trust me, you can thank me later. Today, we're diving into 5 free AI tools that will save you hours every single week. No fluff, no hype, just tools that work and workflows that scale. If you're serious about working smarter, this is where you start. Tool number 1. ChatGPT Free. Everyone talks about ChatGPT, but few are using it as a real workflow accelerator. ChatGPT isn't just for fun questions, it's your daily assistant. Draft emails, summarize articles, plan content outlines, and even debug simple code. Here's a smart workflow. Instead of writing from scratch, prompt ChatGPT to build structures for you, like email drafts or video scripts, and you simply refine the result. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about automating the heavy lifting. Use it daily, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Tool number 2. Canva Magic Studio. Creating graphics used to be a time sink. Not anymore. With Canva's Magic Studio, you can auto-generate YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and even full presentations. The AI helps with design layouts, font combinations, and even writes catchy headlines. Here's a pro tip. Use Canva Magic to create multiple thumbnail variations in minutes, then pick the best performer. What used to take an hour now takes 5 minutes. Tool number 3. Notion AI, free tier. Managing tasks and notes? Forget endless typing. Notion AI helps summarize meeting notes, write action items, and even suggests the next logical steps in your projects. Want to convert a long blog post into a short video script? Paste it into Notion AI, and watch it simplify your content into clear bullet points. It's like having a personal content assistant, always ready to organize your chaos. Tool number 4. Descript, free plan. Editing videos manually is outdated. Descript turns video editing into text editing. Delete a word in the transcript, and it's cut from the video. You can remove filler words, awkward pauses, or even dub over mistakes without touching a timeline. For content creators, this tool is a must-have. Even on the free plan, it saves hours of editing frustration. Tool number 5. Pictory AI, free trial. This entire video was built using Pictory. No complicated editing software, no hiring freelancers. Just paste a script, choose visuals, select a voiceover, and Pictory does the rest. You can turn blog posts into videos, repurpose content, and automate your production flow, all in one platform. For solo creators or small teams, this is the ultimate time saver. Let's be clear, AI tools won't replace your creativity. But they will eliminate 80% of the grunt work that slows you down. The key is stacking these tools smartly. Combine ChatGPT for ideation, Notion for structure, Canva for visuals, Descript for refining, and Pictory for full automation. That's how you scale content production without scaling effort. If this video gave you value, hit subscribe. This is PromptlyPro. Automate, optimize, grow.